Welcome to Good Food. Today I'm going to share with you my top 3 favorite muffin recipes. Starting with muffin recipe number 3. Today's recipe is apple oatmeal raisin muffins. Alright, we're going to place an egg into a large bowl and we're going to just mix this all up. This recipe is one of the easiest recipes to do. Everything just gets all mixed in one bowl. We'll add our flour, our oil, our sugar, and we'll stir that all together. Get that all mixed. Then we'll add our flour and our oats, apples. I used 1 apple and chopped that up. Baking powder, some nutmeg, some cinnamon, and some salt. And raisins, and stir that all up just until it's combined. You don't want to over stir it because otherwise the muffins become dense. So just stir it until it's all combined. Then we're going to place this in our greased muffin tin. This makes 12 large muffins. This is a great healthy breakfast or on-the-go snack, after-school snack. Or even great to pack in your kids' lunches. We'll bake this in an oven at 400 degrees for around 15 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let rest and cool for a few minutes before transferring to a cooling rack. Enjoy! Moving on to muffin recipe number 2. Today's recipe is blackberry muffins. Alright, we're going to take our butter and we're going to cream this with our sugar. Make sure your butter is softened so that this makes this process much easier. Please see the full recipe in the description down below. You can use margarine as well, but butter always tastes better. And once this is incorporated, then we can add our eggs. We'll add 1 egg at a time, making sure it's all mixed in before we add the next egg. Then we'll add some vanilla. And then in another bowl, we are going to combine our flour with our baking powder and salt. And we'll stir that up to make sure everything's mixed together. And then we're going to add a little bit of the flour to our butter mixture. And we're going to incorporate that. Scraping down the sides to get all the flour mixed together. And then we're going to add some of our milk. And then we'll add more of our flour. Again, scraping down the sides. And then add our milk. And as you can see, the batter is getting thick. We don't want to overmix it, so try to get it mixed quickly. Add the rest of our flour. And at this point, I just do it by hand. Then we'll add our rest of our milk. And then we're going to add our blackberries, but I'll add a little bit of flour to our blackberries first. This just prevents it from sinking to the bottom of the muffins. It's a little coating of flour on top. And we'll add this to our batter. And we'll fold it in. Folding it gently so we don't crush the blackberries. It's okay if the blackberries get a little bit crushed up, but you do want them whole, so fold it gently. And then we're going to fill in our muffin tin. This makes around 12 good muffins. You can line your muffin tin or spray them. Go in a 375-degree oven for around 20 minutes. Let cool for 5 minutes before placing on a cooling rack. Please comment below and I'll respond to all your comments. And this is my #1 favorite muffin recipe. Today's recipe is blueberry lemon muffins. Please see the full recipe in the description down below. All right, first we're going to put our salt and baking powder into our flour. And we'll stir that up. And then we'll set that aside. We'll add a little bit of flour to our blueberries. This will stop them from sinking into the batter. If you're using frozen blueberries, don't thaw them out, keep them frozen. Now in a large bowl, we are going to add our butter and our sugar. And we're going to mix that up until it's all light and fluffy. This takes around 2 minutes. Scrape down the sides as you need. Make sure your butter is at room temperature before you do this, which makes it easier. Now we'll add our vanilla, our lemon juice, and we'll add a zest of 1 lemon. This will give it nice lemon flavor. And we'll mix that till that's all mixed in. Now we're going to add 1 egg, and we'll mix that thoroughly. Then we'll add our second egg, and we'll mix that again. Then we're going to add 1/3 of our flour mix, and we'll mix this on low. Mix it until you don't see any more flour. Scraping down the sides to get it all incorporated. Then we're going to add our sour cream. And mix that in briefly. Then we'll add another 1/3 of our flour mix. And we'll mix that up again until we don't see any flour. Scraping down the sides as you go. Then we'll add our milk. We'll stir that up again. And then we'll add the rest of our flour. And we'll mix. Now we're going to fold in our blueberries. Then we'll put into our greased muffin tin. You can also just have liners in your muffin tin if you like. And this will fill up your muffin tin really, really well. You can sprinkle the top with sugar if you like. And we'll place in our oven that is at 375 degrees, and we'll bake for 25 minutes or until the tops are golden on top and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Cool completely before removing from the pan. Please comment below and I'll respond to all your comments. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.